Alright, hello everybody, we are in Yucaipa. You might remember that I featured Alpha Xpress Car Wash in its construction stage. We are now about to run through, and I'm going to be the very first person to show you how the tunnel works. This is a full Sonnys tunnel. It's the city of Yucaipa's first Sonnys tunnel. And I'm lucky enough to be a part of the testing. So a lot of this stuff has already been calibrated. I'm just going to run my car through, and of course I'm going to film it for you. So while we're here waiting, I'll kind of show you. We have everything in this location is Sonnys, from the pay station to the tunnel to the dryers to the vacuum area. So we got ourselves a Sonnys pay station. All right, let's go. Got to put my thing on the clip here. All right, car's still a little wet, but my understanding is some chemistry is still being adjusted, so this will be a lot better, and I'll be able to show you more another time. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to showing you more, and that is it.